How to transfer a business Facebook page to another user. Go to the business Facebook page, then go to settings. On your left side, you're going to go to page setup. Then you're going to go to page access. Then you are going to click on add new, then next. Type in the Facebook user you want to transfer to. Then you're going to allow this person to have full control. Press continue. Put in your personal Facebook password. Click confirm. And what that's going to do is send an invitation to the person so that they have access to the page. Once that person accepts the invitation, you're going to go over to the original owner of the Facebook business page. Click remove access. And what that's going to do is transfer ownership to the new business Facebook owner, so that the new business Facebook owner has full control of the page. Thanks for watching. This is Amir with Sharp Conceptions.